Hello, wonderful viewers.
Welcome back to Dav Facts Channel, your go-to source for all things health and wellness.
Today, we have a scrumptious topic on the menu: the incredible health benefits of eating shrimp.
So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the ocean of knowledge. Nutritional Powerhouse.
Shrimp, often praised for its delectable taste, is more than just a treat for your taste buds. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Shrimp is an excellent source of lean protein, packing a punch with essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Moreover, it's low in calories, making it a guilt-free option for those watching their waistlines. Rich in nutrients. But that's not all. Shrimp is also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Additionally, it provides a healthy dose of selenium, a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system and helps combat oxidative stress. The presence of omega-3 fatty acids in shrimp contributes to heart health, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases.
Brain booster. Now, let's talk about brain health.
Shrimp is a fantastic source of choline, a nutrient that plays a vital role in cognitive function and memory. Including shrimp in your diet can contribute to improved brain health and may even help protect against age-related cognitive decline. So, not only is shrimp delicious, but it's also a brain booster.
Strong bones and teeth.
Shrimp doesn't stop there. It's also a great source of phosphorus, a mineral that works in tandem with calcium to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. This makes shrimp an excellent choice for individuals looking to support their skeletal health. Whether you're young or young at heart, incorporating shrimp into your diet can contribute to the foundation of a strong and healthy body. In conclusion, the health benefits of eating shrimp extend far beyond its delicious taste. From being a protein powerhouse to promoting heart health, supporting brain function, and strengthening your bones, shrimp is truly a remarkable addition to any well-balanced diet. So, the next time you savor this seafood delight, remember you're not just enjoying a tasty meal. You're nourishing your body with a plethora of health benefits. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.